and today we'll be opening crystals from MEL Chemistry. This experiment we are going to do chemical frost. Let's open the box, shall we? So we're gonna do this one. And here's what you're going to need. You're going to need urea. It's the one with the black bottles. A syringe. A petri dish. One wooden spoon. A black piece of paper. And some safety gloves. Okay. So from the starter kit, you are going to need a beaker, a cup, a plastic cup, and safety goggles. So we put on our protective gear, our safety goggles, and our gloves. So ask your parents to boil some water, at least more than 100 ml, and for best results, boil distilled water. So my parent had put 100 ml of hot water. You're going to need your syringe. Make sure that you get 3 ml. Okay, so I have 3 ml, and I'm gonna put it in the plastic cup from the set, from the starter kit. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it in here. Might flip a little. So now I'm gonna put the whole bottle of the urea. To open it, press down and unscrew it. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in here. Put the whole bottle. Okay, so now I'm gonna get the wooden stick. Stir with the wooden stick, and keep on stirring until everything dissolves. And you might be asking, why stir the urea in hot water? Why not cold water? That's because urea dissolves 4 times faster than cold water. If the urea is not dissolving, you may need to ask your parents to put it in a pot and then heat it up so it dissolves faster. And also a reminder, please watch your stove or whatever you put the urea in to wash it a lot of times, because urea is a little bit parts pee. Okay, so now that I finished mixing, now we're gonna put it into the... So now we put the urea in the petri dish. Now you want to put 1 drop of liquid soap, and sorry we didn't tell you that earlier. So wait for 5 minutes and don't put the wooden stick in the petri dish. And look at that. So I put on my micro lens so it will capture the thing, which will make it tinier. Well, make it look up close. And I put on this iPod holder, and I put it on time lapse. So 5 minutes has passed, and our urea has looked like the chemical frost in the picture. And if nothing has happened, touch the chemicals with the end of your wooden stick. And now you know that heat can dissolve more particles than cold water can. Science lesson of the day, chemical frost. So why does hot water dissolve urea better? This is because tiny particles, including water molecules, don't stay in place. They vibrate and bounce around constantly. This intensity of this movement is what we call temperature. The faster the molecules move, the hotter the substance. So in the hot water, the urea molecules are so agitated that they don't like to sit in a rigid crystal structure. But when the solution cools, urea molecules are more calmed down enough to form a crystal. Now you know that science is everywhere, even in the unexpected places. Bye! See you next time!